fan är klockan 1 nästan? Okej. Ska vi... Damir, gör det här på en tagning. Sitt inte här. All right. Today we're taking a look at a legendary colorway Air Jordan 1. Took me. Oh, all right. I'm keeping this. Anyway, we are taking a look at a legendary Air Jordan 11 colorway, Legend Blue, released earlier today, December 14th, and yeah, they ended up sitting. I don't think anyone was surprised, but still, it's such a shame to see a legend fall like that, kind of like seeing Mike Tyson boxing Jake Paul. It's not a beautiful look, but here they are. This is what they look like. I think you guys in US, you guys have such a special bond with these, a really deep connection. I'll be honest, here in Sweden, I don't think the Air Jordan 11 is nowhere near popular as, okay, I'll be really honest, like nobody's looking for the Air Jordan 11s in Sweden. They just didn't make as big of impact as they did for you guys. What I'm trying to say, I am jealous because I see all these videos and what this sneaker means, the nostalgia it brings, and I'm jealous that I don't get to experience that. I'm kind of jealous that I didn't grow up in your culture. Sounds weird, sounds a little fruity, I guess, but I love the history behind every sneaker, and you know, I always do my research and I watch a lot of videos to teach myself. I've been doing it way before I started this channel, and the Air Jordan 11 is always one of those, like, I wish I was there to experience it with you guys, because, you know, the holidays, it's like a tradition every holiday. And remember those crazy lines and people causing a freaking riot when they lined up for these. And now we just woke up at 9 o'clock in the morning and yeah, they were available. And also, I'm currently recording this. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning on December 14th, the official release date for these, and they're still available. Full size, I think. Let me check. Okay, couple of sizes sold out on Nike's website. EU 38, 38 and a half, 39, 40, and then of course the bigger sizes, 45, 46, 47, and so on. But that's okay, because it's a good thing if you appreciate this sneaker and if it means a lot to you and you get to buy it for retail, it's a good thing, right? And even though I don't have the same connection as you guys have with these, or, you know, Air Jordan 11s to be more precise, two things pop up in my head when I think about this colorway is MJ rocking these while playing in 1996 during the NBA All-Star game. I remember that footage. That was crazy. And also Will Smith and Fresh Prince when he rocked these. The Legend Blue colorway makes its long-awaited comeback after a decade, and it arrives with style fully intact. Its white mesh upper and glossy blue patent leather accents deliver the instantly recognizable iconic touch. A blue and black checkerboard carbon fiber plate anchors a crisp white midsole. The iconic Jumpman logo jumps off the ankles as the number 23 stands out on the back of the black ankle collars. And since we're talking about how they ended up sitting, let's talk about stock numbers. Oddly enough, I do have the stock numbers for these. Global stock is 180,000 pairs worldwide, which is a lot and a pretty ballsy move of Jordan Brand to release this colorway in so many pairs when other more iconic silhouettes ended up sitting, and you know, it was less pairs produced globally. And I think this is officially the last Jordan to have such a high stock. I'm not sitting on some secret information, but I do think this is one of the last sneakers that will have such a dramatically high stock. Then going into next year, things will change drastically. For EU UK, because I live here in Sweden, 16,000 pairs were loaded on the SNKRS app. Also in US, I think the stock was close to 30,000. For the SNKRS app. Let me know in the comments, are they still sitting currently? Also, if you're from US, let me know what the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blue means to you, and how do you feel about the fact that these ended up sitting? Please let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna read it. I am very curious to know that. Oh man, I love the Jumpman, blue Jumpman logo over there. Beautiful. Also love the back. And the translucent outsole is so beautiful, but once you wear it, after one where it is completely ruined. I'm kind of nervous for next year because the next year is supposed to be the year that the sneaker culture comes back. So many different colorways, legendary colorways are coming back, you know, and then we see cement 3s, we see D's, brick, and I'm kind of nervous that next year maybe it won't be as big as we think. You can go true to size, whatever you usually wear, just go with that and it'll be perfect. Sneaker culture is weird right now. Things are crazy. Let me know what you think of these. As always, I really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching the entire video. I'll see you on the next one.